morning, everyone. Check my mailbox here. Okay, we're gonna go fly with a buddy I haven't seen in like 7 months now. He is back in town, so I'm all packed up, got my chair, got everything. Look, I also installed my cup holder because I was really needing that. And not a huge fan of the instrument cluster. I've tried to adjust to it, I can't, so I'm doing this. I just prefer this. Good morning, Sam. Say hi to the tube. Hi, tube. Say hi to your kids. Say hi to your wife. Okay. I'll see you later, bro. Ah, good Sam. All right, so let's take a rip, tater chip. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Okay. So, I mean, this is pretty easy, self-explanatory anyways. I'm not a huge fan of the cluster that came on this thing. Matter of fact, I'm gonna see if they have one that's actually digital so I can switch it out. For right now, I can do this. I love DigiHUD app. Alright, so while we're on our cruise here, I do want to talk. I'm going to try to keep the wind out of my helmet. I know this thing makes it really hard to talk and keep the wind out of the helmet, but I'll do my best. So check this out, guys. Do not buy the Hubsan piece of crap. Squirrel, I will run you over. Do not buy that Hubsan piece of crap mini thing. First of all, it just seemed like a scam from the get-go. And I talked about this months ago, dude. I talked about this months ago. Literally months ago, I talked about this with you guys. Talking about there's no way they're going to be able to produce it. Even if they do, it's going to be garbage. They've convinced all these people to part with their money. And like, they basically crowdfunded you guys, which I kind of figured was exactly what was going to happen. And that's exactly what they did. Oh, you can pre-order this piece of crap without ever showing it to you. Wow. Aren't you amazed at our pre-ordered piece of crap that nobody's even seen fly and doesn't work yet? And then everybody bought the damn thing and pre-ordered it. So first of all, guys, I hope you learned something from that. And secondly, stay the fuck away from Hubsan drones. I cannot emphasize this on enough. Stay the fuck away from Hubsan drones. Okay, they're not producing good drones. By any standards are they producing good drones. If you look at what's currently out right now, okay, they're not producing decent products for a decent price. It's just not happening. FIMI is well beyond Hubsan. FIMI is well beyond Hubsan, okay? And they still have their problems too, but their drones are at least a lot more reliable, a lot nicer. They don't revert back to like weird plugging your drone in and trying to do, you know, updates over, oops, that's a big bump, over you know, a cable to your PC, having to update 6 different things, the transmitter, the gimbal, the like, fuck all that. You know, it's all done over Wi-Fi. That's how drones should be. I don't understand how Hubsan still gets people to purchase their drones. Okay, I could understand they're like Hubsan, you know, 501Ss and 501C and all that. Let me pick up the pace here, because otherwise I'm gonna get run over. Ugh. Brian, how far down are we? I heard the Evo take off. Oh, I like that. Look at this. Look at this.
1,800 feet out.
Ooh, I'm walking right in front of the signal too. Oh, that is nice that it has its own little screen.
Yeah, I forgot my phone.
That is OG, bro.
I'm gonna turn it around.
I would never even bring my phone if I knew that it just had a screen on it. Like, fuck a phone at that point. I love this. This is nice.
I just rigged it up. I think that's home.
It works.
Yeah.
Recording now.
It's recording.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Hi, Jeff. Okay. just totaled another GoPro and a set of props, man. So I just switched out to the Cyclones off the PB&Js. I just totaled another Hero 3. This one just turns on and off now randomly. Turn it on, smashed out the screen. It sandwiched the battery. It just turns on and off now. That's it, that's all it does. The GoPro hit the 5S battery so hard, it just pancaked the battery. So that battery's toast. But quad's still all right. So we're putting Brian's Hero 4 on there so I can get some footy for the day, because mine is toasty. Welcome to FPV life. Oh, we actually got him out of the house. Mihop has...
Don't like about DJI.
What's that?
It promotes signal loss for analog. I give a fuck about that. It promotes bad fucking bad traits for flying with other people.
Alrighty guys, I'm home now, so we'll finish this discussion now that I'm back at the house, and flew with the Goon Squad today, had a good time with some FPV, but man, oh man, don't do this to yourself, okay? I know everybody's gonna be like, didn't you see Ali Shamou's video about the Hubsan? Oh, he's been flying it for a couple days. Yeah, I watched those videos. What I saw was the first time I think I've ever seen Ali Shamou not be honest with his viewers. He kept saying that it was moving around with the optical flow sensor. The Pro was just like, the Zino Pro was moving around, and he was like, whoa, the wind. But if you look at every single tree around him, there's like no wind. Clearly, it is not a very good optical flow sensor, because the thing is just like drifting left and right, and you can just see it kind of doing this, and it's going up and down because it's barometer driven. And don't do it. Don't do it. It's $499, over $500 for this drone. Just get the Mini. I don't even like DJI, and I'm telling you right now, get the Mini 2 over the Zino, or over the Hubsan, whatever the hell it is, man. The Mini Pro, it is mediocre compared to the Mini 2. If you're gonna spend that kind of money, just buy the DJI Mini 2. We all knew this was coming. We all knew Hubsan has a really bad history of putting out mediocre drones and trying to convince the market that they are incredible machines. They're not. This company still has a long ways to go before they actually start to appease the majority of the drone community. Look at the transmitter. It is like the Hubsan Zino transmitters, right? The little plastic, crappy, horrible sticks on it. Like, it's toy. It's toy grade, guys. Don't do this to yourself. Spend the money. Buy the DJI Mini 2. Trust me, you will get a much better experience out of the Mini 2 than you will buying the Hubsan, whatever the hell it is, Mini Pro. I don't even know what to call the stupid thing. What I know is that a lot of you guys got taken advantage of, and I think most of us knew that was going to happen. Anybody that's been in the drone industry for a while knows that's what was going to happen. The moment they started crowdfunding, like, oh, you can pre-order this thing, it was a wrap, dude. Everybody that wanted a mini drone, especially Hubsan fans, God, you guys are going to flock to this thing like it's crazy. Just don't do it to yourself, man. Save yourself and your money and buy something you're going to be happy with. I'll even take the DJI restrictions over buying the Hubsan. Okay, that's me being honest. That's 100% honesty right there. So, all right, guys. I ripped with the Goon Squad today. I had a great time. I just edited my footage. Unfortunately, it was kind of an expensive day. I blew out a $40 5S battery, unfortunately, and I toasted another GoPro, so there's another $80. So today was an expensive day out flying, but hey, it happens. That's FPV. That's what we do. You know, I barely fly GPS drones anymore. I still keep up with the market and see what's happening, but for the most part, I'm an FPV guy. Once you realize the freedom of FPV, you will question why you ever flew a GPS drone. Now, don't get me wrong, these GPS drones get people started in the hobby, but when you want to upgrade your skill set and take yourself to a new level and realize that there is freedom involved, like flying like Superman or like a bird and having complete and full control over your drone, you will just be like, why do I own a GPS drone? Once you get to that stage, look at Hugh. Look at Hugh Drones, man. Check out Hugh's channel. Hugh, for the life of me, bro, I cannot think of the name. Asgard Studios. Check out Asgard Studios. For the longest time, man, I was trying to tell all these people, get into FPV. And everybody's like, well, kind of GPS. And I'm like, just trust me, fly a Whoop, and tell me if you're not having a good time, and then upgrade yourself from there. Look at Asgard Studios. He will take his FPV drones out way faster than he will ever grab his GPS drones anymore. It is addictive. It is like a drug. It is, once you get started, man, there's no stopping it. And you realize the amount of freedom. Everything that I wanted in drones, I got when I started flying FPV. I am the pilot. I have full and total control over the quad. If I can think a maneuver through my head, I can probably do it while I'm in the air. That is what makes it so amazing. With a GPS drone, you're just fixed location, fixed target, cruising along, straight right, straight left, lower, raise. With a FPV drone, wow, fucking, if you can think it through, woo, you can do it. It is piloting at its finest. Don't cut yourself short. Don't even buy the Hubsan. Take that $500 and go buy an FPV drone. That's my suggestion. All right, guys, I'm out. I'll catch you guys on the flip, man. Toodles.
Good afternoon. Please give your attention to my associate, Agent J. He's going to demonstrate an electro-biomechanical neural transmitting zero synapse repositioner. We call it the neuralizer. Keep it simple, Slick.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.